Chances are you're looking to remodel your pool or patio area and would prefer to hire a reputable company that has outstanding reviews, fair pricing, and attention to detail. Here at Ross Services, we have all of that and more. Currently, we're offering $500 off any pool remodel or patio service that is $5,000 or more. We offer a genuine 3-year warranty, and we also cover sunken or shifted pavers, unlike other companies. The majority of our pool remodels are done within 1 week, and we don't have any hidden fees or delays after we start your job. We are family owned and operated and are proud of building a solid reputation in the last 8 years. We have an A+ rating and over 300 positive reviews on Angie's List, as well as an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. Also, financing is available for qualified customers, and we offer in-home estimates and same-day pricing. No job is too small or too complex for our team. So contact us today for a free quote on your pool remodeling or patio installation.